Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed in like a week and I feel so weird right now. I don't know, like whenever you don't film for like a little bit, I feel like I'm always just like so thrown off. I haven't been able to film because I talked a little bit about this on my Instagram stories, but I just really had a really bad week. On Monday, I just felt so overwhelmed and stressed out. Like I just knew I was like overworking myself and everything, and I could feel it in my body. And I even posted on my story, I was like, I'm gonna take a nap because I just feel like, you know, when your body is just like exhausted, that's how I felt. And sure enough, later that night, I did not feel good and I just like felt very like anxious. And I always know when I've completely overworked myself because my lips start to swell. That's like always a sign that I'm super overstressed. And then I started to break out with a cold sore. So that was fantastic. After that, I was like, you know what? I need to just rest. I really haven't taken time to rest in a couple of months, honestly. After like everything happened with my mom, I just really got back to work to kind of just get my mind off of everything. And yeah, so I was like, you know what, I need to take a break. So I took all of last week off and I just took that time to relax and just de-stress and get the rest that I really needed. So I've been doing that for the past week. So I'm sorry I've been a little MIA and just kind of like absent on all of my socials, I feel like. So I have a scar on my lip right now. It's not a cold sore, it's gone. It's just like a scar now. So if you guys see that, please just ignore it. I don't want to hear anything because I used to get bullied in school when I used to get cold sores and I don't want to hear it now. So please just ignore it. If you can see it, it's just a scar. So anyways, I'm feeling a lot better today. Today is actually the Super Bowl, so I'm trying to hurry up before my dad puts the game on super loud. It's literally in an hour, so I'm trying to hurry up. Sorry for that long ass intro, by the way. I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers that are here as well. Thank you guys so much for all of the love on my last couple videos. I love you guys so much, and if you're new here, welcome. I promise all of my intros aren't this long. So I just put on some eyebrows real quick. I haven't done makeup in like a week, so we're gonna be trying out some new products from AURIC, which is Samantha Ravndahl's brand. I did pick up the Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer and I did pick up one of the Smoke Reflex in the shade Defiance. So super excited. I love Sam, and the minute I saw that she was coming out with a brand, I was like, I don't care what it is, I'm gonna buy it. I don't care what it is, how much it is. And sure enough, it's cheap. It is a little pricey, but it is marketed as like modern luxury, and just kind of looking at the outside packaging and the packaging of the product itself, it does feel very luxe and heavy and expensive. So I'm glad that even with the higher price tag, it does look and feel expensive. So I think both of these together with like shipping and tax and everything, it came out to $100 like even. So I usually don't spend that much on makeup, but I wanted to because I was super excited about the products. So we're gonna try them out today. I don't have any makeup on right now. Oh, the Glow Lust, let me read a little bit, but this is what it looks like. The packaging is beautiful, by the way. Like the unicarton, oh my god, I want to keep this like out on display. It's so beautiful. I love this like marble kind of look. It's so pretty, and the actual packaging itself is so nice. Like this cap and the like drips of gold on the side. Are you kidding me? This definitely feels expensive. It's heavy, not super heavy, but it is very weighted and it just looks very nice. I love all the little details. This is it says highlight, smooth, hydrate, innovative polymers, brighten and hydrate dull skin for a healthy natural glow. Wear alone, mix with complexion products, or finish your look with a long lasting radiance. So this is all cruelty-free, gluten-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free. We're gonna start off with this, and I got the shade Selenite. I think that's how you say it. I think this was the second or third shade. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember. But I will say, even like this did get to me pretty fast as well. So the shipping was really nice. It was an overall great ordering experience from them as well. So I'm going to use this under my foundation and I think on top as well, like as a highlight. So I remember she said in her video that the cap when you first get it is a little hard to take off. Definitely a pull-off cap, and it has a pump, so that's really nice. So I'm going to use this I'm going to prime my face really quick. I'm going to just use my ColourPop primer. And this was $45, I think. This was $45. So I don't think I'll ever honestly go through a full bottle of this. You have 1.18 ounces, so it's a very nice size for a glow product. So I'm just gonna take, let's see. I'm gonna start off with one pump and see how this looks first. Oh, she's definitely Well, maybe that was way too much. I feel like I'm gonna be really glowy today. And I'm gonna keep it in pretty much everywhere except like my nose area, just because that's an area that usually gets kind of shiny, even though I just took it in the area. Oh well. Okay, this is definitely very glowy. Oh my god. I was not expecting it to be that glowy. And it definitely has a little bit of a tint to it. I would probably take half a pump because she's glowy. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some foundation on top of this ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. Usually take about half a pump of that, so I'm just gonna go on top of that and see how it looks. This is already kind of like a natural finish foundation, so we'll see how it looks on top. Okay, so this is what it looks like with foundation on top, and I think it looks really pretty. It definitely doesn't look as like super glowy as it did at first when I just applied it on its own, but I think it looks really, really pretty, and it gives like this nice sheen to the skin. And you guys know, if you've watched any of like my complexion product videos, I'm not a huge fan of like super dewy foundation. I don't think it looks dewy, so that's good. I think it just looks nice and healthy and glowy, so that is nice because I don't really necessarily like to look like dewy oily kind of. I know a lot of people do like that like dewy look, and I wouldn't necessarily say it looks dewy. It just has like this nice healthy glow to your face. Okay, so I just went ahead and did the rest of my like my concealer and bronzer and stuff in true Samantha Ravndahl fashion. I did cream products. I put on some cream bronzer and put a little bit more on. I don't feel as bronze. I'm using my Fenty cream bronzer. And I also used the Fenty cream blush as well. I used the shade Petal Poppin', and my bronzer is in the shade Macchiato. Like a nice simple look for today. So I'm going to use this as a highlight now. So I'm going to put this on like the top of my cheekbones. Overall, I mean, I really, really like how my skin looks. Again, it doesn't look dewy. It just looks nice and healthy and glowy, which I really like. I'm going to take a little bit because this is very glowy. So I'm just going to take probably like that much. And this bird is, are you for real right now? Okay, I'm just going to put this on the tops of my cheekbones. I'm just going to blend that out with a clean finger. Oh my god, I think this looks... I'm really glad I got this shade. It's like the perfect shade where it's not too white or too gold. It's just like a perfect beigey color that just looks really nice on my skin tone. So there are... I forgot how many shades there are, but again, like this is not like a foundation, it's like a glow product. So I think the shade range was really nice for what it is. It's not like glittery or anything, you know, like you know how some like liquid highlighters and stuff are like glittery and just look chunky and not nice on the skin. I think this looks so pretty. It doesn't accentuate like pores or anything. I just think it looks so nice. A little bit more blush. I just think it looks so pretty. And like I said, it's like this perfect shade where it's not too white, not too gold, it's not pinky. It's like this perfect beigey highlight, and I think it's such a pretty shade. So excited to see how many other ways I can use this, like mixing it into foundation and just, you know, maybe just using it underneath and seeing how that looks, maybe just using it on top. I feel like there's so many endless ways that you can use this product, and I'm super excited. Even just wearing it alone, I'm excited to wear it alone, like on no makeup days and stuff. To get into this, I got the shade Defiance. I don't remember which one this is. I think it's like the gold one. But these are little pots. This one was $39, I believe. So these were $39, and this was the bronze gold one. If I really, really like it, I kind of want to pick up when they restock Temper, because it's like this really... In her video, she explained that she's always looking for like this perfect rose gold, and she's like, maybe I'm not looking for rose gold. It's like a taupey color, and that's exactly how I feel too. I feel like rose gold is never the rose gold that I'm looking for, so I'm excited to try this out. But yeah, like I said, this is the gold bronzy one, and I just, again, packaging perfect. This feels really nice and expensive. It feels like $39. So this one has the like reflect shimmery shadow on the top, and the bottom pot part is, ooh, that's nice too. Even the little details, the little cap on The cream part, oops, I just dropped it, even says AURIC as well. I love the name, by the way. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just put this on, go straight in with this. And I'm just gonna put this on my lid. So you can definitely apply this with a brush. I just feel like your fingers is super easy. So I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. And this does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. I definitely feel like you can build this up to be metallic, but this is super easy and I love it. Just like that, look at, even by itself, just the cream, this is exactly why I picked this one up, because I feel like this would be definitely such a go-to where you can just put this on and it looks like you have a full-on like natural smoky eye. Love that. It's so subtle, but it still packs a punch. So I'm gonna put a little bit more on the lid. I wanted to do a little bit of a light layer first as like a shadow all over, and then build this up on the lid, which you can, and it just, it blends out so effortlessly. I love it. When I eventually do clients again and take clients again, I want to get one of these for my kit, because this is kind of a look that so many people want all the time. It's just like a really nice, natural, smoky eye, and just doing this like with one product, I'm obsessed. I love this so much more than I thought I was gonna like it. I got it because I was like, you know, I just want to get one of each product, and I was like, am I even gonna use this a lot? Like $39 is kind of a lot just for something like this, but oh my god, the way I'm gonna use the hell out of this all the time. This is such an easy eye look. The perfect shade. It's not too brown, it's not too gold, it's not too orangey bronze. It's the perfect bronze, and it's so hard. I love bronze eyeshadow, but it's so hard to find the perfect bronze, and this one looks so nice. Sometimes with products like this as well, it's so hard to get a really nice formula, like finding a nice formula, because so many of them are either too creamy and they'll move around, or they're not too creamy and then they're just like stiff and hard to blend out. So like this is like the perfect in between. Take the shimmer on the top and put that over. Beautiful, by the way. Perfect gold, not too yellow, not too orange. The perfect gold. Oh my god. I'm in awe. This is beautiful. This is such a, oh my god, I can't even explain how pretty this is. I can't even explain how beautiful this is. Like up close, it just looks so pretty, like crushed metal almost, and it's stunning. Truly, truly stunning. The formula is so nice. Honestly, oh, no, I mean, like the way it's gonna be like impossible to pick this up on camera. It's truly something that you have to like see in person. The way the light hits every single reflect in this eyeshadow, I can't even explain, but it just looks so sparkly and like wet. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. Worth every penny. No, it's like such a simple, subtle product. I mean, it's not subtle, it definitely has like that pop with the shimmer on top, but even like just alone, it's so hard to find the simplest products sometimes. Like the things that are like super subtle and just kind of like effortless looking are usually the hardest to find, in my case at least. It's just the cream on its own, stunning. Again, like this doesn't look like much, but the way that it was so simple and it just looks so pretty on its own, and then with the shimmer on top, the shimmer is incredible. I will definitely be picking up the rose gold one, and I think even the other one when they restock. Go ahead and put this eye on real quick. Go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back, give you guys my final thoughts, where at this point you guys can kind of tell what my thoughts are, but I will give you guys a rundown. So I just went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup. I just put on some mascara. I didn't feel like doing lashes today. I also put the cream shadow on my lower lash line, and I thought it looked super pretty and just kind of like smoked out the look a little bit. Overall, I really, really like how my skin looks. I did add a little bit of powder in this area just because it was a little too glowy. At least I just like a little less glow right there. Overall, I also could have probably taken a little bit less initially. I took like a whole pump at first, so I definitely would probably do like half a pump, but overall I think my skin looks so beautiful and healthy and just has like this really pretty healthy glow to it. I'm truly obsessed with the Smoke Reflect shadow. I cannot explain how beautiful this is. I think any camera can truly pick up how pretty this eyeshadow is. It is seriously so stunning and probably one of like the prettiest eyeshadows I own. I will definitely be using this all the time. It's such a quick and easy eye look to do, and it was just so beautiful applying it, and that like reflex shade on top is stunning. It even says it's a light enhancing shimmer powder. It also has a little mirror in here as well. I forgot to show that, but there is a little mirror in the pot as well. So both products super stunning, and I definitely think they are both worth the money. And this is coming from someone who's super cheap and a cheapskate and doesn't like to spend a lot of money on makeup. I think both of these products are extremely worth it, and I definitely feel like I'm gonna get my money's worth out of them. I definitely think if you are gonna like just debating between both products, I would pick up the Smoke Reflect. I can't put into words how pretty this is, and I definitely think that this is worth every single penny. For somebody that doesn't like a lot of like glowy products or highlighters or things like that, then I would say skip on this. It's probably something you wouldn't use, and it is a little bit pricier. It is $45, and that is normally around the price of like a foundation or something. So I would say if you're kind of like debating between which one you can pick up, I would definitely recommend the duo, the little eye duo, the Smoke Reflect. Just this one alone has made me want to go purchase the other two. So I'm so excited to see what Sam comes out with next. I just know whatever she comes out with in the future, I just know it's going to be good. She just has like this eye for good products, and I cannot wait to see what else she comes out with. So guys, I love how my skin looks and everything right now. I just feel so healthy and glowy. Anyways, did you guys pick anything up from AURIC during the launch? I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Did you like anything? Did you not like it? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.